Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look which is inspired from Priyanka Chopra from her new music video I Can't Make You Love Me. She wears these like diagonally smoky eyes in like the starting of the video, which I love, and I obviously had to recreate it because I love Priyanka Chopra. And just ignore this massive thingy here if you can see it, because so yes, you know, if you haven't still heard the song, then go ahead, hear it. It's like really awesome. I love it. Like, yeah, it's like a cover song and she bought the copyrights and stuff, but yeah, still guys, she is doing something. She's putting up India on the global platform in some way. Alright, so just don't be like, oh my god, that is so auto-tuned, or like, oh my god, she just want to be famous. She's at least doing something and we should be appreciative of that, rather than being like, oh, like, you know, you should do this or you should do that. She's doing whatever she's comfortable in, and that's what I really feel is really nice about her. And let's just stop discussing like Priyanka Chopra stuff and just let's get down to the makeup. I have tried to keep this look very simple. I'm going to be using minimal products, like the minimal that you can use, because the look is difficult. So not difficult per se, but still. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is Maybelline Clear Glow BB stick to just you know, kind of like, this is going to be a foundation because she has like really matte skin. You know, she doesn't have dewy skin in the video. She has really matte skin and this gives excellent matte skin. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Blend it all out using this angular buffer brush. This I'm going to contour. As I said, she has matte, you know, matte face and not something very dewy or glossy. So I'm just going to use Emphasize by Starlooks, which is like a matte blush like this, and I use this as my contouring shade because I love it as a contour shade. So I'm just going to apply this to the hollows of my cheek and blend. With that, to finish the face look easy, right? So next I'm going to do one of the eye and then I'll return to show you how to do the other eye. The first step that I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows. She has really strong eyebrows like Priyanka. So I'm going to be using Starlooks Brow Kit, as you all know, like it's my favorite. And I'm going to fill into my brows to, you know, like brows, eyebrows, brows, I'm going to fill into them to make them look a little bit more defined and stronger. Using 24-hour color tattoo by Maybelline in the shade Audacious Asphalt with the help of this Inglot brush. This brush is literally everything. It's like the most amazing, out of the world brush ever. Its name is 8OHPS if anyone wants to know. So this is what Audacious Asphalt looks like. This is like a steel grey shade. So I'm just going to take that up on this brush, and I'm going to like put it like on half of my lid diagonally for a base for my eyeshadow to stick onto. Also slightly winged it out, like really slightly, really small. It shouldn't go out of the eye much. As you can see, it's like really tiny. And I'm also going to run this along my lower lash line. Next I'm going to use this Oriflame palette by Marcel Morongi, and however that is pronounced, and I'm going to pick up this beautiful shade right here, which is like right here. This is not a proper black nor a proper grey. This is somewhere in between and I love it. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to top my eyeshadow off with this. Colorbar dome brush. Take a flat shaded brush and I'm going to pick up Sand by Revlon, the new shadow links. I'm going to pick up sand and I'm going to apply it all over my eye area where I do not have the stale greyish eyeshadow on. So I'm just going to apply sand to my eyes now. Like not sand, like the shade sand. This look now screams blending! So I'm gonna take an Oriflame blending brush right here and I'm just going to start blending now. Alright, this look is still not complete because we have a few more things to do. I'm taking sand again with the help of this Angel Eyes brush by Colorbar, and I'm going to place this right below my eyebrow to highlight my brow bone. And after that I'm going to take that steel greyish shade again on an angular blender brush, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to line the remaining part of my eye because she has like the liner going into that thick wingy thingy. Wow. So I'm just going to line my eyes with this. Alright, and you would have lost a lot of color in the blending, so I'm taking the same angular blender brush and I'm just going to wing this out again a little bit and blend it in so that we still have that blended look and color both. Next I'm going to line my waterline as well as tight line with this A1 Extra Lasting Kajal. She doesn't seem to be wearing false lashes, but she does have some lash extensions on, which are quite visible, but we are not going to do that. So I'm going to take Hyper Curl Volume Express by Maybelline and I'm going to like apply loads and loads of mascara to make my lashes be like whoop. Can you see that? Like whoop. And here it's like blee. So I'm just going to do that now. We have the lips. Her lips look kind of chapped in this particular look and they don't have much color, so I'm going to be using Viva Glam Gaga by MAC, and I'm just going to pat this like tuck on this my lips, and I'm not going to like drag this on, so I'm just going to pat it on my lips. She does have a little bit, like just a tiny bit more color than that, and we are supposed to mattify this thingy out. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the same Marcel palette, and from that I'm going to pick up this beautiful pinkish blush right here on my finger, and I'm just going to kind of dab this onto my lipstick so that I get a really pretty color. Finished this look, which is inspired by Priyanka Chopra from her new music video I Can't Make You Love Me, and I love the video, I love Priyanka Chopra, and I love the song. So yes, and why I like the song even much more was the fact that this is so relatable for everyone. I'm not saying that I have been in a relationship where someone fell out of love with me, but even when we have these epic crushes on anyone and that that person doesn't like you back, so you just feel like, oh my god, I can't make him love me, damn it. And in those type of particular situations, this song is like wow, like completely fit. This song was made for me, bro. So yeah, like not for me, like I don't have such epic crushes, or I've passed my crush phase kind of thingy, like that I have a massive crush on someone and I don't talk to them and I'm like, oh my god, he should come up to me and talk to me totally. If now I like anyone, I'm just like, hey, yeah, I like you. I'm not saying I want anything, I just like you. And why am I even discussing this here? So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.